Let's face it, love is rarely about the fancy car, the six-pack abs, or how smooth your pickup lines are. Sometimes, the smallest gestures, the simplest actions, create the strongest emotions. So, what exactly makes a woman fall for a man in the blink of an eye? Is it confidence, charm, vulnerability, or something much more subtle, something so genuine that it melts her heart before she even realizes it? In today's video, we're diving into 6 powerful, real-life things men did that made women instantly fall in love with them. These aren't just guesses or clichés. These are backed by psychology, real stories, and what women themselves say moved them deeply. And trust me, some of these will surprise you. If you've ever wanted to be the man who doesn't just get her attention, but also her heart, stick around till the very end, because the last one, it's the most underrated love trigger most guys ignore. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss more insight-packed content like this. We're here to decode the psychology of love, attraction, and connection, all in ways that actually work. All right, let's get into the 6 things men did that women couldn't resist falling for. Number 1, he listened like no one else ever did. Imagine this. A woman is talking, maybe about her bad day, her childhood dreams, or something that hurt her. Most guys nod politely or wait for their turn to speak. But then there's him, the man who leans in, locks eyes, and gives her his undivided attention. Not because he's trying to impress her, but because he genuinely cares. Listening may seem basic, but in a world where people are constantly distracted by phones, ego, or agendas, being fully present is a rare form of intimacy. When a man listens with patience and empathy, he's doing something incredibly powerful. He's saying, "You matter, your thoughts matter, your feelings matter." One woman shared that her now husband simply remembered something small she had said weeks before, a book she wanted to read. He surprised her with it. That little act of remembrance, it made her heart skip a beat. It showed he truly heard her. Psychology calls this active listening, and it creates a chemical reaction in the brain, releasing oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Women associate being deeply listened to with emotional safety and connection. And emotional safety is one of the deepest needs in romantic love. So guys, if you want to make her fall for you, listen like no one else does. Don't just hear her words, feel them. Ask follow-up questions, mirror her emotions, make her feel like she's the only person in the room. Because when a woman feels heard, she feels seen. And when she feels seen, she opens her heart. Number 2, he protected her emotionally. There's something undeniably attractive about a man who knows how to protect, not just physically, but emotionally. When a woman feels like her emotions are safe with you, that's when she begins to trust deeply and love fiercely. This doesn't mean rescuing her from every problem or being a macho alpha. Emotional protection is much subtler. It's about being a rock when she's vulnerable. It's about not using her insecurities against her. It's about never making her feel stupid for crying or opening up. One woman recalled a moment early in her relationship. She shared something deeply personal about her past. She was nervous, expecting judgment or disinterest. But the man across from her didn't flinch. He didn't try to fix it. He just said, "Thank you for trusting me with that. You're safe here." That moment, she said it was the first time she felt loved without conditions. Men who protect women emotionally are the ones who stand out. They don't belittle, they don't gaslight, and they certainly don't dismiss feelings with, "You're overreacting." They hold space. They respond gently. They support instead of dominate. According to psychology, emotional safety triggers deep levels of trust, which is the foundation of love. Women who feel emotionally secure with a man are more likely to build long-term emotional bonds with him. So, if you want to be unforgettable in a woman's heart, protect her, not with fists, but with understanding. Be her soft landing, her safety net, her shelter from life's emotional storms. That's the kind of strength that leaves a lasting impression. Number 3, he shared his vulnerabilities. Real talk. Most guys think they have to be strong all the time. No tears, no fears, no weakness. But here's what most men don't realize. Vulnerability is magnetic. When a man shares something real, his fears, his past failures, his hopes, it creates a connection that's almost electric. Why? Because vulnerability is the language of trust. It shows a woman that you're not putting on a show, you're being you. One woman said she fell in love the moment a guy admitted he was terrified of losing his job. She expected bravado, but instead, she got honesty. That openness showed her his humanity. It showed her she wasn't dating a mask. She was connecting with a soul. And that's powerful. Women don't want perfection. They want authenticity. Psychologically, when someone reveals something vulnerable, it invites the other person to lower their guard too. It creates emotional resonance and shared empathy, which are key triggers for falling in love. So, don't be afraid to talk about your mistakes, your fears, or what keeps you up at night. It doesn't make you weak, it makes you real, and real is irresistible. Number 4. He genuinely celebrated her wins. Some men compete with women, others complete them. You can guess which ones women fall in love with. When a man genuinely celebrates a woman's success, no matter how big or small, it tells her something essential. I'm not intimidated by your power. I'm proud of it. Whether she got a promotion, ran a marathon, or just cooked a killer dinner, how a man reacts matters. Eye contact, enthusiasm, saying, I'm so proud of you. One woman said her ex would get weirdly distant whenever she talked about a career achievement, but her current partner, he throws mini celebrations for her. Champagne, a card, a surprise dinner, that difference, night and day. And it made her fall in love all over again. Psychologically, people are drawn to those who uplift them. Being someone's loudest cheerleader creates an emotional high that's addictive and memorable. Celebrate her wins, encourage her dreams, be her supporter, not her competitor. Because a man who wants to see her win, that's the man she wants by her side, forever. Number 5. He was unapologetically himself. Confidence isn't about being loud or flashy. True confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin. And women can feel when a man is authentic. One woman shared how she fell for a guy who wore mismatched socks, loved jazz music, and was obsessed with model trains. He never tried to hide his quirks. He owned them. And that self-assuredness, it was intoxicating. Being unapologetically yourself signals 2 powerful messages. First, you like yourself. Second, you don't need approval to be who you are. According to relationship psychology, authenticity is a cornerstone of emotional attraction. People crave what's real in a world full of filters and fakery. So, stop trying to impress. Start expressing. Be the man who doesn't dim his light to fit in. When you're honest about who you are, you give her permission to be fully herself too. And when 2 people drop the masks, that's when real love begins. Number 6. He made her laugh at just the right time. Never underestimate the power of laughter. One well-timed joke, one silly dance move, one shared giggle when things are tough can create instant chemistry. Humor doesn't just entertain, it bonds. In fact, studies show that couples who laugh together are more likely to report stronger emotional intimacy and longer-lasting relationships. One woman said she was on the verge of tears during a stressful week, and her partner did something ridiculous. He put a sock puppet on his hand and pretended to be her therapist. She cracked up. In that moment, her anxiety melted, and her heart opened. It wasn't just funny, it was medicine. It was love in disguise. Humor shows emotional intelligence, playfulness, and resilience. It tells a woman, even when things get hard, I'll find a way to bring light into your world. So, be that guy. Make her laugh, not at others, but at life's absurdities. Use humor as a bridge, a balm, a spark. Because sometimes, the quickest way to a woman's heart is through her smile. There you have it, 6 incredible things men did that made women fall in love, instantly and deeply. And notice something? None of them were about looks, money, or fancy dates. They were about emotional intelligence, genuine connection, and being fully present. So, if you're trying to attract someone's heart, not just their attention, start here. Listen deeply, protect emotionally, be vulnerable, celebrate her, be yourself, and make her laugh when she needs it most. And if you're already doing some of these, keep going. You're building the kind of love most people only dream about. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 6 things resonated most with you? Or is there something else you've done or experienced that sparked instant love? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. Before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more deep dive content on love, attraction, and relationships that truly matter. Thanks for watching, and remember, the real magic is in the little things you do with big intention. Until next time, stay real, stay kind, and keep connecting.